Hi all, welcome to our channel. So once you are creating any kind of content on your particular website, the very important is called index your web page into the Google is very important. So that is called we have to use option name is called Google Search Console option. In a Google Search Console, the first time we can do or second time we can do options, we can optimize will be very important. That is option name is called URL inspection. Enter the URL, click for the enter button on your mouse. What you're showing, URL is not on Google. What we can go for, this page is not in the index, but not because of an error. See the details below, learn. What we can click? Request into index. So I'm safe for requesting. Please index my web page on Google. So that is we can requesting index. It might be take for time, maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes will be time will be taken. So the time we have to spend with them and add your content on your particular web page into the Google option. So once it's done by Google Search Console, this time will be taken some time to the index your web pages into the Google option. So here is the things they will be follow the policy. Just look into this. They go into your indexing process will be start. So it is take some time to the do the have to patience very important. If you are click any outside, the indexing will be stopped by the Google Search Console. When I do the this time, we can do other works. We can do work will be as usual, but don't disturb this page once it's going in process. It may be take for 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes, but complete will be process is done. Once done this process, we have to option will be given. Tick mark is finished. Click for text live URL. Once it's done, we have to refresh your particular page and your particular things. The page refresh after indexing will be finished properly. The ad will be shown to your particular page. In a previous, we had the two content. This one also will add the content. So this page, we don't have any ads display will be previous. After indexing, we can show ads will be displayed by your particular page also. Indexing is very important for each and every page using for Google Search Console. Previous is called URL prefixes and now it will be using for URL inspection. Those steps we can follow. You are available on Google. So those steps will be take some time. So what are the issues? Anything will be show on the particular things. Your website will be mobile friendly. Anything. What are the tested? Everything the information will provided by the URL inspection option. Anything will be misused. Anything will be not properly done. The intimator will be error, and the particular option will be into the Google Search Console option. So if you have any particular query, please contact our channel about the Google Search Console anything. We definitely will help on particular things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.